Good morning. Mackenzie Johnston with Tri-State Livestock News, bringing you your Wednesday morning headlines concerning fair cattle markets. Sponsored by Sandhills Beef Company of Mullen, Nebraska. Eat like a rancher. America First means buying directly from the producer. Be the change. To learn about everything Sandhills Beef Company has to offer, head on over to their website, www.sandhillsbeefco.com. Also sponsored by TD Angus of North Platte, Nebraska. They're going to be hosting their annual bull sale at the Rishel Ranch near North Platte on March 19th, starting at 12:30 Central Time. As I've said this whole week, they have one heck of a lineup that you do not want to miss. They're going to be selling 300 plus powerful Angus bulls, 50 plus Angus females, 500 plus commercial replacement heifers, 25 first calf heifer pairs, and 7 ranch geldings. Doesn't get much better than this. So if you have any questions about this upcoming sale, go ahead and give Trey a call at 307-660-8650. And to check out their lineup, head on over to their website, tdangus.com. According to Meeting Place, on Monday, Brazil's Marfrig Global Foods South America, the world's largest hamburger producer, reported a record net profit of $575.6 million in 2020. The company attributes such revenue growth to its operations in North and South America. The meat giant posted $11.8 billion in net revenue for 2020, up 35.3% from the year before. Marfrig's operations in North America accounted for 72% of the company's total revenue. North American operations recorded a 6.5% expansion, which resulted in $9.4 billion in annual revenue. Marfrig South American operations achieved record exports in 2020 with a 25.4% increase in revenue, which equated to $3.24 billion. Additionally, Marfrig reported that its board of directors has proposed the distribution of $24.6 million in dividends to its shareholders. Drovers has reported that last week, market hogs found twice the profit margin of fed steers thanks to a rally that added almost $22 per hundredweight to lean hog carcass prices over the last month. Unfortunately, cash cattle prices have been stuck in neutral, as we all know. Profit margins for cattle sold last week averaged $25 per head, up from the previous week's $13 per head, according to Sterling Beef Profit Tracker. Cash cattle prices for last week averaged $113.51 per hundredweight, steady to 50 cents lower compared to the week before. Packer margins declined $51 per head, but they are still at an average of $372 per head. Glad to see they are not struggling. These profits resulted in the Packer feeder margin spread of $346 per head, down $62 from the previous week's $408. Packer margins declined due to a $6 per hundredweight decline in the beef cutout to $233.28 per hundredweight. Last year at this time, the beef cutout was $205.48 per hundredweight. Drovers has also reported that according to January data released by USDA, compiled by the U.S. Meat Export Federation, USMEF, beef exports were down 2% and pork exports were down 9% compared to year-ago levels. Beef exports totaled 105,047 metric tons in January, while the value slipped 3% to $642.8 million. January pork exports totaled 248,656 metric tons, which resulted in the value decreasing 13% to $642.8 million. USMEF reported that the decline in beef exports was mostly due to lower beef variety shipments. USMEF President and CEO Dan Hellstrom said that 2021 is off to a good start when it comes to exports. However, there are still COVID-related obstacles and significant transportation and labor challenges. Finally, National Beef Wire reported yesterday that choice box beef ended the day at $229.03. That was down $2.05. And select box beef ended the day at $223.80, and that was up 67 cents. That is all I have for news for you guys today. If you missed it, yesterday we posted our interview with Brett Crosby. Brett Crosby of Cowley, Wyoming. He is always fantastic to talk to, an incredibly knowledgeable individual within the industry. I got to talk to him about the Cattle Market Transparency Act of 2021 that was introduced by Senator Fisher and Senator Wyden. We just dove a little bit deeper into what the legislation holds for the industry and basically what it's all about. So if you missed that, head on over to our Facebook page, Tri-State Livestock News, or you can check it out on our website, fair-cattle-markets.com. And then also, again, I am up in Valley City this week with my coworker Tracy Hawk. We will be at the Tri-State booth all week, so if you find yourself up here, be sure to stop by and say hello. Other than that, have yourself a wonderful Wednesday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.